Welcome to our tutorial on how to download, install, and use the Autobot Trading Signal on your computer. First, head over to the Autobot Signal website by typing in www.autobotsignal.io into your browser. Once there, click on the download button at the top right corner. A prompt to log in will appear, but if you're not yet a member, just click the sign up button to create an account. After signing up, you'll be taken to the download page. On this page, you'll find a list of supported brokers. If you don't have a broker account, you'll need to sign up with one first. For those who already have an account, simply scroll down and click the download button that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows or macOS. For Windows users, remember that the downloaded file will be a zip file. Before you can install it, you'll need to unzip or extract the folder. After installing the software, it should launch automatically. In the new interface, you can connect Autobot Trading Signal to your broker by clicking Connect and logging in with your broker's details. Once connected, you'll have the option to choose between Pro Signals or TradingView MT4 signals. Pro Signals are exclusive to our Pro subscribers and include additional indicators. The TradingView MT4 signals are available for free and are perfect if you use your own TradingView indicators or if you follow expert signals. If you're interested in the free signals, go back to our website, navigate to the free signal page, and explore. For instance, you can follow a top provider like Knowledge's Joe by copying his signal key. Then, go back to your Autobot, paste the signal key into the designated slot, and click Save. When you've successfully followed a signal provider, your dashboard will reflect this, and you can see your saved signal key at the top right. Now let's talk about the settings. You can adjust the amount you want to start with, set the duration for your trades, enable or disable martingale, filter trades based on payout percentage, and set your target profit and stop loss. Once you've tailored the settings to your preference, all that's left to do is click Start Trading. Now you can relax while Autobot Trading Signal works for you. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we wish you a profitable trading day.